So Patricia asked me to write a poem, and so in doing that, I really did some research into sapphire, what do sapphires mean, and also reflecting on the history of our organization and what we mean as a club and a sisterhood. So Sapphire Legacy. We gather in the deep blue glow of something older than this room, than the names etched into programs and spoken across tables dressed in linen. 56 years, not in time alone, but in hands held steady when the world tilted, and voices rising together when silence would have been easier. We are a constellation, each woman a brilliant point of light, but breathtaking in connection. Sapphire, stone of wisdom, of truth, worn close to the pulse. It does not shout its beauty. It deepens. It endures, like us. We have carried one another through seasons of becoming, through doubt that whispered and courage that answered louder. We are the keepers of vital stories, builders of bridges, quiet architects of change. There is a kind of royalty here, not of crowns or titles, but presence. Standing tall in purpose, choosing dignity again and again, even when unnoticed. And loyalty, not the easy kind, but the steadfast kind, that reminds when storms arrive, that roots itself in something sacred, something unbreakable. If sapphire is protection, let us be for one another, a shield against despair, a reminder of truth when the world grows uncertain. 56 years and still we shine, not because time has passed, but because we have made the time matter. Tonight, we do not simply celebrate. We recognize that we have what we have built is not fleeting. It is held in every woman here, in every story still unfolding, in every future we are bold enough to imagine together. And like sapphire, we will endure, brilliant, unyielding, and endlessly true.